ERM, Enterprise Risk Management. Enterprise Risk Management, or ERM, is a strategic approach to identify, assessing, and mitigating risk that can impact an organization's ability to achieve its objectives. Today, we'll explore the fundamentals of ERM and its significance. Identifying risk. ERM begins with the identification of risk. These can be internal or external and encompasses a wide range of factors, from financial and operational risk to regulatory compliance and market volatility. Assessing risk. Once risks are identified, they need to be assessed. This involves evaluating their potential impact and likelihood of occurrence. Risks are often categorized based on severity and probability. Risk mitigation. ERM doesn't stop at assessment, it's about taking action. Organizations develop strategies to mitigate risk. This can involve risk avoidance, risk reduction, and risk sharing or risk acceptance. ERM doesn't stop at assessment, it's about taking action. Organizations develop strategies to mitigate risk. This can involve risk avoidance, risk reduction, risk sharing, or acceptance, depending on the nature of risk. Integration with strategy. One of the key aspects of ERM is its alignment with organization strategic goals. Risks are assessed in the context of how they might affect the achievement of those goals. This integration ensures that the risk management is not a separate activity but an integral part of decision making. Risk culture. ERM emphasizes fostering a risk aware culture within the organization. This means that everyone, from top management to frontline employees, understand their role in managing risk and encouraged to report potential issues. Continuous monitoring and improvement. ERM is an ongoing process. Risks evolve and new ones emerge. Organization continuously monitor the reassesses risk and effectiveness of risk mitigation strategies. It's about adaptability and learning from experiences. Reporting and communication. ERM involves transparent reporting and communication. Stakeholders, including the board of directors, investors, and regulators, need to be informed. ERM involves transparent reporting and communication. Stakeholders, including board of directors, investors, and regulators, need to be informed about the organization's risk exposure and how it's being managed. Enterprise risk management is a holistic and proactive approach to managing risk, enabling organizations to navigate uncertainties and seize the opportunities while staying aligned with their strategic objectives.